Let us dedicate today to engage in peace talk, to bring peace with the words we speak. Words have the power to hurt more than any weapon can. But have you felt the power of words to heal? Your peace talk can do that. Words can demotivate, but have you felt the power of words to inspire? Your peace talk can do that. Words can break relationships, but have you used words to build bonds of love? Your peace talk can do that. Peace talk is not merely about talking sweet and kind words. It is about speaking from a state of peace. What is the state of peace? It is an inner stillness that is unruffled by longing or dislike. You are at ease wherever, even in a football stadium or a political rally. You are at ease with anyone, be it someone who wishes you well or ill. The power of speech is a sacred gift to humanity. We have evolved into the most articulate species on this planet. Our power of speech is our sign of our evolution. One of the rare gifts we as humans have is to connect to others' feelings and reach out to them through our words. Let us dedicate one complete day to peace talk, that is, uttering words that arise from a peaceful state. These 24 hours, you will only speak words that arise from a peaceful inner state. You will only speak words that nurture and appreciate the other. When you see something wonderful in the other, you will appreciate them from a space of truly feeling their inner beauty and their beautiful actions. If someone helps or supports you in small or big ways, move into a space of feeling gratitude and express that through your peace words. Through your peaceful words, create vortices of beautiful energy that will nurture you, your family, and your workplace. As you move into peace, you may want to apologize to someone for the way you have hurt them. You may want to express love to someone from whom you have had withheld love for a long time. Do not postpone this action that promotes peace. Call them today and speak with them from this beautiful space. Your words will heal their hearts and transform their lives. Let your words be an instrument for peace. Let us move into an intention meditation now.
눈을 감고 부드럽게 호흡합니다. 호흡에 온전히 주의를 둡니다. 오른손바닥을 가슴 중앙에 올려놓습니다. 오늘 하루는 좌절감, 분노의 감정이 올라올 때마다 의식적으로 내려놓고 평화로운 말만 하겠다는 의도를 세웁니다. 자신과 약속하세요. 아름다운 가족과 조화로운 세상을 만드는 것에 있어 말의 힘을 사용하게 될 것입니다. 깊게 마시고 내쉬며 말합니다. 스와스티, 그저 존재하겠습니다. 다시 깊게 마시고 내쉬며 말합니다. 스와스티, 그저 존재하겠습니다. 다시 한번 깊게 마시고 내쉬며 말합니다. 스와스티, 그저 존재하겠습니다. 두 눈을 뜹니다.
Dedicate yourself to speaking peaceful words from a peaceful state for one complete day, and you will see that this is a very beautiful way to live. Peace will become your way of life.